02 Ford Explorer 4.6 2 valve, all aluminum Typhoon intake, enlarged throttle body elbow, enlarged throttle body. Now when putting these intakes on, the knock sensors will not clear. Another issue is, here's the stock one. You have this vacuum line right here, which this elbow does not. So I teed off the vacuum line with a T. One's for the brake booster, one's for a smog sensor. Another thing was, back here there is a nipple for the heater core on a Mustang. On an Explorer it's not there, so I blocked it off. K&N cold air, MSD coils, 2-inch lift, Flowmaster 10. Any questions? Hit me up in the comments.